You earn more than you did a few years ago. Your salary has increased. On paper, you're doing better. And yet, money still feels tight. Not, I can't survive, tight. But, I should be more comfortable than this, tight. That feeling is surprisingly common, especially among salaried professionals in the US and Europe. Let's look at a simple, realistic scenario. Imagine someone earning $75,000 a year. After taxes, that's roughly $4,200 a month. Rent or a mortgage takes $1,500. A car payment and insurance take another $600. Student loans, maybe $300. Groceries, utilities, phone, internet, $700. Before lifestyle spending, we're already around $3,100. Now come the small things. Streaming subscriptions. Gym membership. Eating out a few times a week. Upgrading a phone that still works. Occasional online shopping to reward yourself. Another $700 disappears quietly. At the end of the month, there's very little left. And you're left wondering, where did the money go? The problem usually isn't irresponsibility. It's timing. Lifestyle upgrades tend to happen immediately after income increases. But savings and long-term planning are delayed, or skipped entirely. Psychologically, this makes sense. When income rises, the brain treats it as permission. Permission to improve comfort, status, and convenience. And none of these purchases feel reckless on their own. That's what makes them dangerous. Over time, your fixed costs rise to match your income. Not because you planned it, but because modern life gently nudged you there. The long-term impact is subtle but serious. If every raise gets absorbed by lifestyle, wealth never compounds. It just circulates. Financially intelligent people don't feel richer immediately when they earn more. They create a gap first. A gap between income and lifestyle. They don't ask, what can I afford now? They ask, what future am I buying with this choice? That mindset doesn't look impressive on the outside. But over time, it creates something far more valuable than appearances, stability and freedom. If money feels tight despite earning more, it's not a failure. It's a signal. A signal to slow down, observe, and realign. If you enjoy calm, realistic conversations about money and modern life, consider subscribing. No pressure, just clarity.